Hey everyone, I'm Kevin Baird from True North Professional Development, and this is the first of 5 videos on the Excel feature called AutoFill. Now you might be thinking, AutoFill, 5 videos on AutoFill? Well, to the surprise of many, AutoFill does much more than just copy and paste in Excel. So let's take a quick look at some of the basic features of AutoFill. All right, so imagine that you are setting up a budget, and at the top of the budget, you need to have a column for every month in the year. Now, how are you going to enter that information into each column? Of course, you could go column by column and you could type that in if you wanted to do that. That's going to take a little bit of time to do. You could go to another file that you've got that already has the months in it, and you could copy that and then paste it into that area. Or you could use AutoFill. So AutoFill allows you to take the first entry that you enter. So here I've entered January, and you'll notice that as I move my mouse pointer over that little dot in the lower right-hand corner, I get that black plus that's there. Normally, we see the big white plus, but here I'm going to hover over that, and I'm going to just start to drag to the right. And you can see that I'm getting little tags there. And as I let go of the mouse pointer, it is going to actually fill in that list for me, January through August. Now I can actually take that and go in any direction, and it will know where it is in the list. So here, if I go up, you'll notice that it goes backwards through the list, January, November, October. If I go down, you can see that it's going to continue down through the list. And of course, I can go backwards and do the same thing, right? And so I can plug it in that way. Now, this works the same way for the days of the week as well. So here I have Sunday, and if I use my little autofill handle, you can see that I can drag that out to the right and get my days of the week. Of course, I can go down, I can go back up, and of course, I can go backward with that. So AutoFill has the capability of you being able to use some custom lists. Excel has 4 of those lists that are built in here automatically. So you can see that I have the regular names of the months in there. I have the 3-letter abbreviation of the months. I also have the days of the week in there, and I have the 3-letter abbreviation of the days of the week as well. So one of the great things about AutoFill is utilizing these custom lists. In a later video, we'll show you how you can actually create your own custom list to put into here as well.